Okay, so here we go with the last video here. We are going to solve this particular equation, and we're going to do it 3 different ways. The first way we're going to do is, well, with all the ways we have to do one thing first. We have to set one side equal to 0. And so it's going to be 2x squared minus 13x plus 15 is equal to 0. And my first approach, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a program, or an app rather, called Polysmalt 2, which we've used in the past. I'm going to go to Apps, and I'm going to go to Polysmalt. I'm not sure what number it is on my calculator, but there's lots of choices here. OP, here we go, right there. Enter on that. And in this time, in the previous we've done simultaneous equation solver. Now we're going to do poly root finder, which is number 1. In my order, what's the degree? The highest degree is 2, so the exponent is 2, that's good. All the other things are okay, and then this is my main menu, help, and then next is the graph key. And I'm going to put my numbers in. The number in front of a squared is 2. The number in front of x, which is a1, is negative 13, using the proper negative sign. And the last value, a0, is 15. Hit enter, and then I just go to solve. And from here, I know quite clearly that x is equal to 5, and x is equal to 3/2. It is as easy as that, and that is method 1. All right, so the other method that we have, that we do sometimes, if we go to the next one, let's take my equation here. This is the equation. My next method is going to use my calculator. This, so 2x squared minus 13x plus 15. And when I graph it, I'm going to go to a standard window. I am looking for the x-intercepts. And I can do that by going second, calculate. I'm looking for a 0. Let's do this one here first. I know it's 5 because I already did it, but the left bound is to the left of 5, which is 4, to the right. And then I guess 5. And there again, I can see that x is equal to 5. If I do it yet again to find the left-hand x-intercept, I'm going to go second trace and do 0. Left bound to the left of this value, we'll call 0. To the right of it, we'll call 3. We'll guess it at 2. And again, I can see quite clearly that x is equal to 1.5. And when I do a graphical solution, I should make a quick sketch of the graph. It's just as simple as that, and say this is 1.5, this is 3, and this is the equation y is equal to 2x squared minus 13x plus 15. And that would be a good solution for the graphical approach. That was method 2. Finally, the last method that I have to solve this is I'm going to take this and I'm going to move away from my calculator. I'm going to take this and I'm going to do my cross. 2x times 15 is 30x squared. This goes on the top, 13x. What multiplies to get 30, adds to get negative 13. What two numbers? It'll be negative 10, excuse me, and negative 3. They multiply to get 30x squared. Go back to my box. I know this is my 2x squared and my 15. And this will be negative 10x and negative 3x. We'll start to factor here. I pull out an x. I pull out a negative 5. Going this way, I can pull out a 2x. And here I can pull out a negative 3. And so I get 2x minus 3 and x minus 5 equal to 0. They each equal 0, so 2x minus 3 is 0, or x minus 5. X is 5, or 2x is 3, or x is 3 halves. 3 methods to do it. This one is method 3, and it is by factoring. There are more methods available to us as well, but these are the 3 that we know at this time.